हेलो किड्स, आज हम आपको अल्फाबेट्स राइटिंग सिखाने वाले हैं। तो लिखेंगे ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल, सी फॉर cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q means Rani, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. So guys, if you like this video, so like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.